Hi, my name is Nick Polich. I'm a first year at the University of California, Irvine. Today I will be talking to you about creating sustainable STEM education through video games. STEM fields include anything involving science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. These fields of study are very closely related to each other, and the knowledge and learning in these areas are very intertwined. For example, mathematics plays a crucial role in the foundation of physics, which helps to create advances in engineering and technology. The images being shown are a list of STEM occupations, as well as the expected growth of employment and salary in the coming years. Data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor shows that employment in STEM occupations are expected to grow to over 9 million by the year 2022, which is why focusing on sustainable STEM education is very important. Here in the U.S., especially at the university level, education methods are typically direct instruction. The information and knowledge is lectured by professors or presented through textbook readings or PowerPoint presentations. It is difficult to maintain a student's interest in STEM field when the only learning is through direct instruction and not through hands-on methods. One way that hands-on interactive learning can be implemented throughout all levels of education, ranging from preschool to university, is through video games and video game technology. Video games have become increasingly popular, and statistics show that it will only grow in popularity and appeal. Teachers could design video games to help teach their material more efficiently to their students. Unlike lectures, video games can be adjusted to the pace of the student. In addition, video games present information in multiple visual and auditory ways, which can reach the needs of students with different types of learning styles. The use of video games also have other indirect benefits, such as teaching collaboration and critical thinking. One great example of an educational use of a video game is the online game Evoke, created by Jane McGonigal. The following is a trailer from Evoke. This game is designed to have players create solutions to real-world problems while developing skills in areas like entrepreneurship and sustainability. If games like these were applied to classroom education in STEM fields, students would have an interactive way of learning how to solve critical issues society faces. Current research shows a mix of positive and negative results. Some research shows little increase in learning efficiency. However, research also shows an increase in interest of material as well as an increased motivation to learn. The use of video game technology has its pros and cons, but an increase in motivation to learn can lead to more and more students in the STEM fields. If the idea of using video games as an educational medium proves to be more successful, educational methods can be reformatted, creating a more sustainable future for teaching and bringing in more interest to these STEM fields. These fields of study lead to many different career paths, some dealing with very important issues society is trying to solve. If more interest is able to be brought to these fields, more minds will be working on solving complex issues we currently face and ones we will continue to face in the future.